If you've been trying to grow your email list with Eloqua's default form builder, you may have felt overwhelmed without the conversion results you were hoping for. That's why smart business owners and marketers use OptinMonster to create high-converting pop-ups and opt-in forms to grow their leads for Eloqua. With OptinMonster, you can create pop-ups, floating bars, slide-ins, gamified spin-a-wheels, and more. Let me show you how you can create a high-converting Eloqua pop-up step by step. Let's get started. Your first step is to sign up for an OptinMonster account. All you have to do is go to optinmonster.com and click on the green Get OptinMonster Now button. And for as low as $9 a month, you can have access to all the campaign types. Step number 2 is to create your pop-up using OptinMonster. Now that you have an OptinMonster account, you can click the green Create New Campaign button, and we'll choose Pop-Up. Here you have hundreds of templates to choose from, and for this tutorial, we'll select the magnet template. Next, you'll need to name your campaign, select which site to load on, and you can start building. With the drag and drop builder, creating a campaign that perfectly matches your online store's branding is so easy. I recommend starting off by clicking on Custom Colors and importing your brand's custom color profile. Next, you can make design changes to any part of the campaign by clicking on it, and that will bring up your different options such as delete or the settings for that element. Under blocks, you have different element blocks that you can drag and drop onto your campaign, such as an image element. Once you've selected your image, you can edit your headline by clicking on it, and your editor will pull up on the left-hand side. And here you can easily edit the message as well as the styling of the text. You can change the alignment, colors, fonts, sizes, and more. You can use the subtext to further explain your offering or have a call to action. Next, we'll edit the field elements. You can add in a phone number field element as well as a privacy statement. And to edit the submit button, simply click on it and you can edit the button text. Best practice is to have a call to action that stands out to your website visitor. Next, you'll need to decide your submit button action. You can either redirect to the success view or you can redirect to a URL. You can use the submit button to redirect to a calendar app that can schedule your potential customers for a consultation. You can also use the redirect feature to send your new visitors to a thank you page or even to the next landing page of your sales funnel. If you do decide to send your new subscribers to the success view, just make sure to edit that. You can import your success view from the opt-in view, and then you'll only have to tweak a few of the elements such as the headline and the image to make your success view look exactly how you'd like it to look. Make sure to save your changes as you go. Next, in the Display Rules tab, we'll decide when and where this campaign will show to our website visitors. Depending on your OptinMonster plan, you can show based on time on page, page targeting, exit intent, physical location, new and returning visitors, on-click, referral targeting, and more, allowing you to show your campaign to the perfect website visitor at the perfect time. If you're using Eloqua for your online store, you have specific e-commerce targeting rules as well. Once you've decided your display rules, you'll need to go to Integrations to connect to your Eloqua account. In the Integrations tab, click on Add New Integration, then scroll down to Eloqua. All you need to do is enter in your Eloqua account label, and it will automatically integrate with your Eloqua account. Now, all of your leads generated will be sent directly to your Eloqua email list. Next, in the Analytics tab, you'll automatically have access to OptinMonster's native analytics. You can also connect to your Google Analytics in just a couple of clicks. Finally, in the Publish tab, toggle from Pause to Live, Save, and when you go to Preview Campaign, you'll be able to see exactly how your pop-up will look on your homepage to grow your Eloqua email list faster and more effective than ever before. Check out our video on how to make a creative pop-up to increase your conversions even more. And to find out more about what OptinMonster can do for you, check out our demo. And don't forget to subscribe for more OptinMonster videos, the channel dedicated to getting you more conversions, email subscribers, and sales.